So there, from this part we enter in our college. So let's get started. So to vlogging. So let's continue.
Here construction is going on. See our new building.
This is of Pharma College.
Yeah.
And this is our hospital. The Amaltas hospital. It's a campus and this building which is going here is the Institute of Pharmacology, or I can say Amaltas Institute of Pharmacy. This one. Let's have a look. It's on the way. This is our buses which drop us from our home and to Dewas. So this is our hospital. It's all kind of specialties like oncology and cardiology.
Yeah, ENT
Or surgery also. And pediatrics department also. So this here in front of us is the entrance of the Amaltas hospital. This is our friend. Okay. Give some pose. This is inside of our building. See, you are seeing patients everywhere. Our mandir. Jai Mata Di. This is Department of Emergency Medicine of Casualty. Most of the time we came here. In front of us there is written the emergency medicine area. So most of the time we came here whenever we got heart sick and other things happened to us. So from there we entered most of the time. Inside there are patients. So as you see in front of us there is a building which is our college, Amaltas Institute of Medical Science. Its name. Or in short we call it AIIMS. Teachers and lecturers are coming from here.
आइए हम सब मिलकर पढ़ते हैं।
जैसे सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी है ऊपर सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी ये साइड है सेंट्रल लाइब्रेरी है इधर है सेंट्रल फोटोग्राफ सेक्शन यहाँ अभी बंद है जो कि ये दो बजे ये है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ वैकेंसी एंड डीन ऑफिस पुनीत जी ले जा रहे हैं मैं आ गई
ये डीन ऑफिस इसको ध्यान से
डीन ऑफिस ये डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ वैकेंसी ये वैकेंसी लैब ये डेमो 1 यहाँ पे लेक्चर होते हैं
ये डेमो 2। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बायोकेमिस्ट्री।
Okay, now we are going to physiology department. Okay. Anatomy department is on right and physiology department is on left. Okay, firstly we will go to anatomy department. As that one is dissection. This is the demonstration room 1 of anatomy department and this one is demo 2 of anatomy department.
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजियोलॉजी में ये पुनीत जी जा रहे हैं। ये है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फिजियोलॉजी। यहाँ पर सारे प्रोफेसर बैठते हैं, HOD सर वगैरह यहीं बैठते हैं। अभी इसी बीच में हमारे बीच में आए हैं भाई लोग। ये नोटिस बोर्ड है, ये बोर्ड देख सकते हो। ठीक, अब अपन इस तरफ आते हैं। इधर आप देखेंगे ये डेमो 1। यहाँ पे अलग से जैसे बैच वाइज डिवाइड किया जाता है, A बैच, B बैच, C बैच, तो अलग अलग यहाँ पे कुछ ट्यूटोरियल होते हैं, सर कुछ सिखाते हैं, कुछ लिखने क्वेश्चन वगैरह। और ये क्लिनिकल लैब है, इधर आपको सब सिखाया जाएगा कि कैसे देखते हैं, पल्पेट कैसे करते हैं। ये क्लिनिकल लैब अभी बंद है, कोई नहीं है। और इधर है डेमो 2, डेमोस्ट्रेशन 2 फिजियोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट, ये भी बंद है। और हम चलते हैं हेमाटोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट में एंड मैमेलियन लैब में। तो मैमेलियन लैब तो अभी बंद है एंड हेमाटोलॉजी लैब में
We are seeing this building, it's under construction. It is basically our university. In front of us there is a big building far ahead, which is a boys hostel. Sandipani. Let's get there. So this, as you are seeing on your right, this is our library, the central one library, and in your left we are having our oxygen tanks and the laundry. This is our PS oxygen line, and this is Amaltas liquid oxygen gas tank. Yeah, this is our central library. Most of the time we came here to study. This is the blue building in front of us is our intern hostels. And the building next to it, in the red color one, is the PG hostel. As you can guys see, our ground is under construction. Basically, we used to it for playing football, cricket, and other sort of activity. And then at your left, we are having our faculty quarters and the nursing quarters. And then this the greenhouse belongs to our Chief Medical Officer Dr. Prashant sir. And the house right next to it is our Dean sir's home, Dr. Sarat Chandra Wankhede. And the red building is, as you see in front of you, is the PG hostel. Look. And the head of us, the building which is coming is the Amaltas Institute of Puneet. It is also under construction. So have a look. It might get completed in next 1 year. Pretty sure about it. In your left, as you can see, we have the seeing in front, this is our boys hostel. It is Sandipani boys hostel, or we get this Sandipani Chhatravas. Basically, ground floor belongs to the PG, the final year one. The second floor belongs to the fourth year, then the third year, then second year, and the top floor belongs to us, the first year ones. It's the parking, and in front of you, it's a temple mandir. And this in front of us is warden room. It is the third.